Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best PS4 hard drive is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make for your console. Tired of deleting games to make room for new ones? Or maybe your current hard drive is starting to show its age. This video will guide you through the process of replacing your PS4's hard drive, boosting storage and potentially speeding up load times so you can get back to gaming faster and with more space. Number 5. Toshiba 1TB 2.5-inch PS3 PS4 hard drive. Looking to boost your console storage? This hard drive is the perfect solution. It's designed specifically for PS3 and PS4 consoles, offering a simple upgrade. With a spacious 1TB capacity, you'll have plenty of room for all your favorite games and media. It allows you to store more games and content without worry. Featuring a 5,400 revolutions per minute rotation speed and an 8 MB cache, it ensures smooth and responsive performance. This helps improve loading times and overall system responsiveness. The package includes instructions for easy installation on your PS3 or PS4. It also provides guidance on downloading the necessary PlayStation firmware. This 2.5-inch hard drive uses a SATA 3.0 Gbps interface. It's built for reliability and comes with a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This hard drive offers a generous 1 TB of storage, perfect for housing your entire game library. It also comes with a reassuring 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable and spacious storage solution for your PS4, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to remove and replace. My PlayStation was almost thrown away until I ordered this part and it's worked ever since. Great product. Bought this to replace a corrupt hard drive on a PlayStation 4 Slim for a friend. I will say it worked as expected and I didn't have any issues with it. It functions well, I haven't experienced any problems with my games, and it has spared me the trouble of my game crashing while I was playing. Number 4. Western Digital 500 GB 2.5 PS3 PS4 hard drive. Tired of running out of space on your PlayStation? This hard drive is the perfect solution. It provides ample storage for all your games and saves. This hard drive works seamlessly with both PS3 and PS4 consoles. Whether you have an older model or the latest, it's ready to go. It's a versatile upgrade. With 500 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of room for your favorite games, downloads, and more. You can store a large library of games without worry. It's a great value. Installing this hard drive is a breeze. Simply replace your existing drive with this one. You'll be up and running in no time. It's a simple process. This hard drive is made by Western Digital, a trusted name in storage. You can count on it for reliable performance and durability. It's a quality product. What we like. This drive provides a solid 500 GB of storage, enough for a good collection of games. It's designed specifically for both PS3 and PS4 consoles, ensuring compatibility. If you have a smaller game library or are looking for a budget-friendly option, this drive is a solid choice. What people say. Works perfectly for my PS3. This worked perfectly. It fit right in the existing hard drive tray, literally took less than 5 minutes to swap out. Number 3. Addlink S20, 1TB SSD, PS4, laptop and PC compatible. Looking for a storage upgrade? This Addlink S20 is perfect for your PS4, laptops, and PCs. It's a great way to boost performance. With read-write speeds up to 500-450 MB/s, it significantly improves loading times. The device offers a noticeable performance boost compared to traditional HDDs. It utilizes a SATA 3.6 Gbps interface, ensuring compatibility. This also works with older SATA 1 and 2 devices. It's a simple upgrade for faster booting and loading. This will make your system feel much more responsive. The Addlink S20 comes with a 3-year limited warranty. You can rest assured that it's a reliable storage solution. What we like. This SSD offers a significant performance boost with read-write speeds up to 500 MB/s. It's designed for faster game loading and overall system responsiveness. If you want to dramatically reduce loading times and improve your gaming experience, you should consider this. What people say. I now have additional storage capacity and the PS4 runs much quicker. Games load much faster and the now loading screens hardly even pop up. It fit just fine in the hard drive carrier. Number 2. HGST 1TB 7200 revolutions per minute 2.5 SATA the third hard drive 0J22423. Looking for more storage? This HGST hard drive offers a terabyte of space. It's perfect for your PS3 or PS4. This drive spins at 7200 revolutions per minute, ensuring fast data access. It will improve the performance of your console. With a 32 MB cache, this hard drive efficiently handles data. It helps to reduce loading times. The SATA 3 interface provides a 6.0 Gbps data transfer rate. This ensures quick and reliable data transfer. The 2.5 form factor is ideal for consoles. It's designed to fit perfectly in your PS3 or PS4. This is the 0J22423 model. It is a reliable storage solution for your gaming needs. What we like. This hard drive boasts a 7200 revolutions per minute speed, which translates to faster data transfer rates. It also offers a 1 TB capacity for ample storage. If you prioritize speed and want a responsive gaming experience, this drive is a great option. What people say. It was a simple swap of hard drives, and after putting the software on via flash drive, the PS4 was up and running like brand new. Installing it or replacing it is like changing a light bulb. Take cover off, unscrew a couple screws, replace, done. I've had no issue, still working, and I game a lot, like too much. Number 1. OWC 2.0 TB Drive Upgrade Kit for PlayStation 4. Tired of running out of space on your PS4? This upgrade kit provides everything you need. It includes a massive 2.0 TB hard drive to store all your games. The kit comes with everything you need for a smooth upgrade. It includes an enclosure, a flash drive and a screwdriver. You'll have everything you need to get started. Easily transfer all your game data to the new drive. This ensures you don't lose any progress. It's a simple process to keep all your games. Convert your original PS4 drive into an external hard drive. You can use it with any USB 2.0 or 3.0 equipped computer. It's a great way to reuse your old drive. This kit is compatible with multiple PlayStation consoles. It works with PS4, PS4 Slim, PS4 Pro, and even PS3. It's a versatile solution for your gaming needs. What we like. This kit provides a massive 2.0 TB of storage, ensuring you'll never run out of space. It includes everything you need for a seamless upgrade, including an external enclosure to repurpose your old drive. If you have a huge game library and want an easy, all-in-one solution, it's the perfect choice. What people say. The kit delivers on everything as promised, and the replacement and install couldn't have been easier. The kit ships in a nondescript and deceptively small cardboard box. It comes with a succinct single sheet of instructions that walks you through the upgrade process in 4 main steps. 1. Back up your save game data onto the USB drive, provided with the bundle. 2. Physically replace the stock hard drive with the upgrade drive, using the provided screwdriver. 3. Download and install the latest PS4 system software using the provided USB drive. 4. Restore your save game data to the new drive, and reinstall your games. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.